Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jazzy Styles. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today is going to be another unboxing video slash, I guess, putting it up, fixing it or whatnot. But I have a package that came. It's going to be my stainless steel table, what I bought, and that's where I'm going to be using to make my soap, my bath bombs, using it to fill my lip gloss tubes and things like that. So let's get right into it. So here's the box here, and my uncle is helping me unbox it, so I'm just going to hold the camera here while he gets it out of the box. And I will put in the description box below the link to this table if you all are interested in purchasing it. So it looks like it's wrapped pretty good. Got the little cushion and everything on the side. The box wasn't damaged or anything like that. So yeah, I'm happy with the way that they packaged it. Is that like plastic on top of it?
No, you can see here, you can see the metal coming through some type of paint they had on it was scratched already.
I thought it was stainless steel, like, so that got to be the plastic that's on top of
You think that's what it is?
it. Yeah.
Well, I hope that it is. Yes, I do. Go through this shenanigans. Using me for my damn man strength.
This look like it's an easy put together.
What happened to all that black girl power? This is dangerous.
Is it now? The legs are in the box. They are wrapped nice. And this piece here looks like that's going to be the bottom half, like he just stated. From the look so far, it looks like it's nice. But once we take all this blue coating off and that white coating that they have on top of it, we're going to see how it looks, if it's scratched up or anything like that. So, yes, we're going to see. For the most part, it's looking okay.
Yeah.
Be right back when we get everything up out of the plastic. So it didn't have any scratches on there. The legs didn't either. And this is how it's looking right now. Okay. Want to see if they got some. They have a pack of some screws and a little Allen wrench and directions. So we're gonna put this together. Alright, so these are the directions and everything.
Screws, please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2.
Oh, he's putting the little pins into the table here. be back when it's finished. Eggs on there. Got the bottom shelf adjusted to the height that I wanted it, so I'm gonna put the screws up in there. So far so good, coming along. Okay y'all, so it is finished and this is how it looks. I got these pieces on there from flipping it over and putting the legs and stuff on. So this is how it looks now. It's not focusing. All right. I didn't see anything wrong with the actual table. It has like some little scuff marks here, but I'm gonna wipe it off and see if that's gonna come off. A little line here, maybe from being wrapped up for too long or whatever. But this is how it looks. I'm gonna come back and show you guys where I'm going to have it sitting at. It's gonna be up in my kitchen, but this is how it looks now. Be back later. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look of the table, and this is where I wanted to place it here in my kitchen area. So I went ahead and cleaned off the top area with some cleaner, but I do see here that they still have some marks or fingerprints still left, maybe from the factory, so I might have to go to the store and get something that will clean, focus, stainless steel. But for the most part I like the table, and this is where it is going to be when I do the working. So if you guys are interested, like I said, I will always have the link in the description box below. And before I end this video, I do have something else that I want to unbox on camera for you guys, and it is from this company here. It is from brambleberry.com, or the company name is Brambleberry. They do have a YouTube channel. I will link the YouTube channel down below, and also I will put a link for their website. Quite sure some of you people have heard of them before, especially the people who make soap bomb, bath bombs, soap, who need essential oils, who need shea butter. They sell all type of things there, so you guys can get for yourself, or if you're doing companies, mica powders, all type of things. So just go check them out. But I'm going to unbox this here. It came here in this box here. Although it did take some time to come due to the COVID-19 that's going on, it takes longer for shipping now. So I do understand, but I am going to open this on camera with you guys. So I'm not going to show you my address, but it came packed perfectly fine. The box do look like it has some probably thrown around from the UPS, or you know, whatever. So we're going to get started. Hold on and get some scissors to open this. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. And here is how it looks. It's wrapped with paper and everything, and so here is the shipping, the order form of everything that I ordered on here. So let's see. Okay, got this here. Looks like this is some cushion foam. Okay, yeah, some cushion foam stuff here. Bring this closer. Okay, so first off, in the inside here, it has the bottles, and it looks like, okay, this is, it's wet a little bit, and this one is kind of faded, so don't know what the name of this one is. It's faded, and this one also, but it looks like this one says English. It looks like it's open, but yeah, it's loose here. It looks like some sticky stuff coming off. And well, the name of this oil here is called English, and I also did order 14 things. Most of it was the oil, some essential and some are fragrance oils. So this one is a fragrance oil. This one is called English. Then you have cinnamon swirl, energy, and then I'm gonna look here to see what this one is, since this one is all messed up here and it's faded, and some of this wasted out. So with the names that I do have here on here, so for the cinnamon swirl, I got that in 4 ounces, and this is how the 4-ounce bottle look. For energy, I got that in 4 ounces. No, English, I meant to say, for energy. I don't know if you can see that. This is in 4 ounces. For whatever this one is, I believe that's 4 ounces too. Really don't want to lay this back down because it's kind of sort of open. So let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna take this section out. See it over here. This is how the next set is. Okay, so I have peach Prosecco. This is in the 4 ounces. I don't know if you guys can see the names and stuff. Then I have Eucalyptus. It's in 7 ounces, big bottle. I have Night Violet, 4 ounces. I have Galactic Skies, 4 ounces. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. I like how they got the packaging, because these bottles are glass. So it's this little foam wrap stuff that's here. I'm gonna sit this up under the bottom. I got some more oils here. So I got this one in 8 ounces, oatmeal and honey. I have this one in 7 ounces, Sensuous, Sandalwood. I have this one in 8 ounces, black, amber, and lavender. And I have this one here in 4 ounces, white lily and aloe. Take that out, and that's how that was packaged. Again, this is all glass and I don't want to break it. At the bottom of the box, I have 2 other things here. So this is another essential oil that I have, and this is in 5 mLs, and it is the Chamomile German Blue. Probably not pronouncing it right. Always get stuff wrong. And this is how small that one is here. Small bottle. It was wrapped pretty well. Wrap that back up. And that one that was open, y'all, that is pretty strong. Kind of make my head hurt a little bit, but it don't smell bad. And then I have this little hanger tool here that's going to be used to swirl my soap. So that's that. I have nothing bad to say about Brambleberry. Only thing is that on my first order, I did not get my 20% off. This is my first order. I will be ordering from them again. I did sign up for the free email thing here, but I still did not receive the 20% off discount code in the email. I actually signed up with both of my emails just to see if something was wrong with one. Signed up with my Google one first and then my Yahoo one second. So the Yahoo one went through, but I still have not received the 20% discount for my first order. But what I did pay altogether for my first order altogether was $197.92 for 14 items, and some of them were different prices and things like that. But so everything that I did name here before I end the video, hold on. So everything that I did, you probably didn't see me marking it off, but everything that I did name, and the last thing that I did not name with the one that was faded because of the oil that had wasted, that one was called Midnight Waters, and that one was a fragrance oil, and it was in 4 ounces. So that was the one that I didn't know the name of because of the oil that was faded. For the most part, it was packaged well. I liked it, and I can't wait to use these oils. I'm gonna have a video coming right up after this one. You're gonna see me in the same thing, the same hairstyle, the same everything, and I'm going to be making my bath bombs for the first time with some of these fragrance and essential oils. So yeah, hopefully if Brambleberry do see this, they can send me my 20% discounts, even though it's going to be my second order for the next order that I do, because I didn't receive it for my first. But I have nothing bad to say about them. I love Brambleberry. I love Annie Marie, who actually is, I guess, the person over it, because that's the one you see on YouTube. Love her personality, everything. But yes, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will have more things coming up, and like I said before, I will always have everything linked in the description box below, and I will also have the names of the essential oils and things that I did purchase as well. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.